Make a candy bar that you can share with your teammates. On your mark. Get set. Go! I have a feeling we'll be here for a while. Thanks, Ethan. A whole bunch of guys up on the floor still. Make sure you guys are breathing. 4 guys up still.
Keep going!